fragrance from Signature franchise, which is Chloe L'Eau de Parfum Intense, and it's a last year launch. And you can see it's written it's a refillable bottle. So you can buy the refill and you can refill this bottle. Let's unbox it. Actually, I'm not going to unbox it because I already buy this fragrance and I love it so much that this year when I was traveling to India, I bought another one. So as you can see, this new fragrance is such an amazing perfume, guys. And why I was saying that it's a refillable bottle, because you can open it from here, and for the next time you can just buy the refill if you love this one. Now you will ask, why didn't you buy the refillable bottle? Because it was not available at that time, but now it's there. And this is the time to, I know the fragrance is very amazing. So raspberry followed by rose. The fragrance expresses every facade of the flower. The scent captured the 3 different times of the day. Why I'm saying like this? Because it evokes at one of the very fresh morning rose, which has a very green and slightly crisp fragrance. Then it's open in midday rose, which is very rich and deep, and then it has a evening rose, which is again a very creamy and very gourmand rose, we can say. So that's the reason it's very intense. And then it followed by a bouquet of warm, ambery and softwood. So we have 3 notes. Top note is raspberry, heart note is rose, and the base note is amber. So it's a very ambery, woody, floral fragrance. And the design also, if you say, this is called Plissé Soleil, which means this pattern. It has the name again from the brand. And you can see it has a very rich garnet color, like not other fragrances has a very lighter beige color, but as you can see, this is a very intense fragrance. So they changed the ribbon color. It's a rich garnet, and it's a hand woven ribbon. Then it has a very sleek black writing, which again shows a very modern and very refined style. This bottle is available again 30, 50 and 100 ml, and 100 ml is a refillable bottle, and you can buy the 150 refill as well to save your money. If you are a personality which looking for a very intense, powerful fragrance, or you sweat a lot, or you just want something very bold fragrance, try this one. That's the reason I have 2 bottles of it. And it stays amazing, even if you go like for walk, for gymming, it stays. How much I spray this one, I never get bored of this fragrance. You can keep on spraying. And now we will move to our next franchise, which is Love Story Eau de Parfum. So this is the time to unbox our next perfume, Love Story Eau de Parfum. So it comes in 2 sizes, 50 ml and 75 ml. I have the big size of 75 ml. So let's unbox it. It's a beautiful bottle. So we have to remove this one also. Now this is the bottle. Very unique, right? Oh. So, and I what I like, this is it's very plain and very easy to carry, and it's 75 ml, तो आप इसको easily कहीं भी carry कर सकते हो. I feel it's a very floral fragrance, and this is a perfume which represent a very fresh and sensual perfume, and it feels like it's open up its heart with a Stephanotis jasmine, the flower of happiness, and seduce with the luminous orange blossoms notes. So it's like a symbolize of love and romance. Are you a romantic person? You are? Then try this perfume. By the way, this perfume is launched in 2014, and if I define the top note, so top note is like bergamot, and then it has your orange blossom and jasmine, Stephanotis jasmine, the flower of happiness. So use this, be romantic, be happy, be sexy. So now we came at the last fragrance, which is from the Nomad collection, and this is the latest one. Trust me guys, this is a game changer perfume. It's amazing. So this is Nomad Nuit d'Egypte. Why it's called Nuit d'Egypte? Because the ingredient which is there here is from Egypt itself. And why it's called Nomad? Because the Gabi nomad are the people who doesn't stay at one place. वो travel करते रहते हैं. And जो Gabi Agion थी, वो भी Egypt से Paris travel किया उन्होंने. So that's also the reason they come with the Nomad collection. I will talk more about the ingredient, but first let's unbox this bottle and see how it is. By the way, even the Chloe bottles also, the cardboard and everything is made from the recycled material, and they have mentioned also on the packaging, you can see. So let's unbox it. Let's open. And this is the bottle. See, it's pretty. So this fragrance is very floral, feminine, and I can say it's a very addictive fragrance. Let's spray. This is the place where I have right now doesn't spray anything. So this, it highlighted with the top note of Egyptian orange blossom, and then it has a very very strong note of vanilla, and it has a very special ingredient called kifi. So with Egyptian orange blossom, it has a very unique ingredient also called kifi. So kifi is known as also the first fragrance in humankind, which is created in Egypt. And the priest used to burn this substance and devote it to the gods to make them happy. And it also has some medical property, and that's the reason the name symbolizes the twice the god. And if you see the bottle also, this, you see the braids, it's in blue hue, like blue color. So this is also the first ever pigment which is created in humankind, and that's also created like 4,500 years ago in Egypt only. So that's why the perfume name is Nuit d'Egypte, because the perfumer has took a lot of things from the Egypt, and maybe it is like the tribute to Gabi Agion. But this fragrance is also very sensual, strong, and it has a mix of orange blossom, vanilla, so it's like a mysterious fragrance also. The after effect is really nice of this perfume, because I have used this one as well. You You can try this one as well, guys. So all the Nomad collection, like Nomad collection has a lot of fragrance. Nomad Eau de Toilette, Nomad Eau de Parfum, Nomad Jasmine, Jasmine Natural Intense, and then we have Nuit d'Egypte. So all this collection shows, you know, that authenticity, spontaneity, and it represents the sisterhood and love among the women. This bottle is also available in 30 ml, 50 ml and 75 ml. And with this, I end the Chloe series. Now we will meet in the next video and I will try to bring something new, something exciting. Stay tuned with me. Let's meet you guys in the next video. Till then, be happy guys, be smiling, be confident, love your life. Bye bye.